In a major step toward enhancing its military capabilities, the Australian Defence Force, ADF, recently received its first two M142 high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, from the United States. Delivered via Royal Australian Air Force C-17A Globemaster III to Avalon Airport, the arrival of these launchers coincided with the Australian International Airshow 2025. This marks the beginning of a significant upgrade to Australia's artillery systems, with the first batch of HIMARS being part of a larger deal for 42 units, valued at $1.6 billion Australian dollars, around $1 billion US dollars. Initially, the Australian Army was scheduled to begin receiving HIMARS in 2026. However, the timeline has been expedited, and all 42 launchers are now expected by the end of 2027, an impressive 4-year acceleration in delivery. The systems will be assigned to the newly formed 10th Fires Brigade, based at RAAF Base Edinburgh, Adelaide, marking a new era in Australia's long-range strike capability. The HIMARS systems will initially be configured for the Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, GMLRS, with future upgrades to include the Precision Strike Missile, PRSM, once available. The versatile nature of HIMARS, with the capacity to launch both GMLRS and PRSM, offers Australia enhanced strike ranges of over 500 kilometers, far surpassing the capabilities of traditional artillery systems. This acquisition forms a crucial part of Australia's defence modernisation strategy, aimed at addressing regional security challenges. Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Defence, Richard Marles, highlighted the significance of this acquisition in Australia's defence posture, emphasising the transition to long-range precision strike operations. Minister for Defence Industry and Capability Delivery, Pat Conroy, also noted that the swift delivery timeline demonstrates the Albanese government's commitment to strengthening national security. Furthermore, Australia's domestic production of munitions for HIMARS is set to enhance supply chain resilience and reduce dependence on foreign suppliers, with GMLRS rockets expected to be produced locally starting in 2025. As part of this ongoing modernization, Lockheed Martin and Thales Australia have been involved in discussions about local production of solid rocket motors for GMLRS, reinforcing Australia's aim for self-sufficiency in missile manufacturing. This move is set to bolster Australia's defence industry and ensure the long-term sustainability of its HIMARS systems, which are expected to remain operational until at least the mid-2050s. HIMARS has already demonstrated its effectiveness in global conflicts, particularly in Ukraine, where it has proven its precision in striking high-value targets, including air defense systems and military infrastructure. This success underscores the strategic value of HIMARS as a key component of modern military operations. Through the rapid deployment of these advanced systems, Australia is not only enhancing its military capabilities but also positioning itself as a key player in the Indo-Pacific region, ready to respond to emerging security threats with greater force and precision. The HIMARS acquisition is a clear signal of Australia's commitment to bolstering its defence posture in the face of evolving challenges.